Hello folks, Pete here from Ashton's Cars. It seems that summer has definitely arrived with us. It is boiling today, 28 degrees. And here I am with a 2010 Ford Fiesta. This is a 1.25 Zetec model, 82 horsepower. It's the 4-cylinder, normally aspirated engine, which is actually the most reliable engine for these cars. I know people got very excited when the EcoBoost came out because it was a smaller engine but with more power, ranging up to 140 horsepower in some versions. But the reality is, if you want a reliable Fiesta, the old engine, the 82 horsepower 4-cylinder, which was still available on this shape of Fiesta, was the one to go for, really. And I'm glad to say that's what this car is. It's a real pretty little car, this. It's come in from one of our really good customers, a regular customer of ours. He's had several cars, and this is just coming part exchange now from him, and it's been in the family for quite a while, this particular car has. It's down on the logbook as red, this colour is. I don't know how to describe it really. I suppose it's the colour of a ripened plum. It's a really nice colour. It's quite an unusual one. I don't think I've had a Fiesta in this colour before. I really like it. I like things that are a bit different anyway. So I guess beauty's in the eye of the beholder, but in my opinion, this is a great looking car. It's obviously the Zetec trim, very popular. You get the alloy wheels, you get the front fog lights as well on it. This particular car, let's have a look inside. It's quite nice inside as well, this is. Quite a funky interior. It sort of matches that exterior colour on the dashboard and the inserts on the seats. Look at that. And as you can see, it is very, very clean indeed. Ignore the fact I've got some bills from the workshop tucked into the door pocket there, because I've just been down there in it. I've been driving this car for the last 2 days. It's got ice cold air conditioning, Bluetooth phone system, so it does everything I want in a small car, because that's my main sort of criteria I need for day-to-day running back and forth from home to work. Look at that. It's really clean, and I've only just had it washed off. I haven't done a full valet or anything on it. That is how it came into us, pretty much. It was very well presented by the previous owner. Good size boot. I mean, I'm sure you've seen a Fiesta before, but let's just have a look. Has it got a spare wheel, this one? Yes, it has. It's a spare wheel, although it's a steel wheel, but a full-size steel wheel nevertheless. Everything on this car is very clean and tidy. There's no real rust or corrosion at all on it. Not that these suffer with that. They are pretty good, actually. Please ignore my absolutely obscene bunch of keys that you can see. It's quite ridiculous. It hasn't been driving around with all them in it, trust me. It's just, I've got everything on my hands today that I need for the yard, and I've been moving a few cars around. And the honest answer is I'm rubbish for keys, so if I haven't got them on me like that, in one bunch, putting it straight on because I am absolutely roasting. So the lights look like they're flashing. That is the recording equipment, not the car. 34 degrees. That's obscene. Oh boy, anyway, we've got the aircon on now, so I'm happy. Let's give it a quick rev. Really nice little engine on these. They sound nice as well. Really, everything you could possibly want on it. It's got the Ford Sync system here. That's a Bluetooth telephone, which is in quite a nice design on the stereo there. I guess it's a bit sort of its time, being a 2010 car, but it's got all the essentials that you would want on it. It's got the climate pack on it as well, so you have got air conditioning, which I'm really benefiting from right now. And it's got the front and rear heated screens on it, this particular car has as well. Drives exceptionally well, and I really do mean exceptionally well. And 5-speed manual gearbox in it, as I say, 1.25cc, which is all the engine really you need in your Ford Fiesta. These were an absolute class leader. It's a tragedy what's happened with Ford, in my opinion, that now they don't make anything like this. The smallest car they make is now the Ford Puma. And I was talking to a Ford employee yesterday who was just really quite miffed at the fact they don't make stuff like this. And the Fusion that we tested recently, that's gone to a new home this week. Very similar to this in that it's an old school, normally aspirated 4-cylinder engine. Now they're going for these ridiculous 3-cylinder turbos that will never have the reliability of this car. So if you're looking for a car for yourself, or maybe you're looking for a car for a family member who's starting out, this is the type of one you want to be going for, really. That's 104,000 miles on the clock. Not really a lot for its age. It's got great visibility out, really easy to drive, really easy to live with. Let's just jump outside. I was literally dying in there from heat. I turned it off and you straight away feel the difference when the aircon's not pumping. The beautiful thing with these is they are just really solid, reliable engines. They're very, very simple. They haven't got to turbo. They haven't got any sort of inherent issues, really. I've seen them with 200,000 miles on them. So this one with just over 100, you know, it's got plenty of life left in it for someone, yeah. And if you're looking for a car that is very user-friendly, very reliable, you just can't go wrong with one of these 1.25 Fiestas. They are actually quite fun to drive. They're quite nippy. They like to rev. And they sound nice. They've got a nice smooth sound to them, which you just don't get in a lot of small cars. So there we have it. There's not much more to tell you about, save for the fact that this is a very clean and tidy example. I'm sure we've put loads of Fiesta videos up before, but I'm always taken aback when I get one of these in, really, and drive it, because I actually enjoy driving them. And there's not that many small cars that I sort of enjoy. You do this job enough, you get used to so many different cars and you get a bit spoilt. But I genuinely like Fiestas, particularly this shape, this engine. So if you're looking for something, it could well be the car for you. And if you are, give me a call. My number's 07932 873 646. This car's going to be up for 2,995. An absolute bargain for someone. We're happy to take part exchange on it. We're happy to deliver it anywhere in the UK. It's a cracking little car. It's a cracking little car, and you can get maybe something a bit newer or a bit lower mileage, but it won't be one of these, not in this condition, for under £3,000. This is a real great little car. That's been looked after and loved by a family who just look after their cars, really. We've dealt with them many times now. So yeah, give us a call. We've got some service history for it. We'll put that on the listing. Look in the advert description and the YouTube video, and you will see some details of the car in there. And give me a call on 07932 873 646 if it's of interest. Of course, please give us a like, share, subscribe, comment below and let us know your thoughts on these Fiestas. I'm sure there's many of you out there have had one of these over the years. Maybe you've still got one. Maybe you've got a story to tell. Comment below and let me know. Let me know your views on them. We're always happy to hear your views and discuss anything you wish to talk about. The number one more time is 07932 873 646, and thanks ever so much for watching our channel. Have a great day wherever you are. If you're out there today in this sunshine, I hope you're enjoying. While you're watching YouTube videos, get out and enjoy yourself. Look at the weather. Bye for now.